Hey, look what I bought.
What? Dyson vacuum cleaner?
Yeah, the Dyson V8 Absolute.
How much did you spend?
Only 32,000 rupees.
Are you out of your mind? Is it worth it?
Let me show you and then you decide.
Okay then, maid is not coming today. Start with the clothing.
Now see the power of Dyson.
Let's clean the fan. Try cleaning balcony now. Let's try on windows. Sofa and mattress also needs cleaning. Why are you not charging it?
Because one charge lasts up to 40 minutes.
Okay, now let's do the dusting. It's time for car cleaning now. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know in comments if it was really worth it.